Okay, write down multipurpose, read the heading, multipurpose internet mail extensions. Multipurpose internet mail extensions. Within brackets, write the short form MIME. Write the first letter in capital. Multipurpose internet mail extensions. Write the first letter in capital, then within brackets, write the short form. So this also has been discussed in the class, but when you write today's notes, we may come with some additional points which we might not have got earlier. So let us look into it. Sajib. Write down. MIME. MIME provides internet email support. MIME provides internet email support for messages containing formatted text, containing formatted text, sound images, video, and attachments. Formatted text, sound images, video, and attachments. Following are the features. Following are the features of MIME. Write MIME in capital letters. Number 1, it is a common way in which files are sent as email on the internet. As email on the internet. Number 2, content types are this is number 2, feature number 2, content types are, right in the next line, number 1, primary type. Put a dash, then write, it indicates the general content. It indicates the general content of the material. The general content of the material. Number 2, content type number 2, subtype. Dash, it indicates the specific format. Then write in the next line, five basic primary five basic primary MIME content types MIME content types of text are text content types are text, image, audio, video, audio, video, and applications. Next, write down uh, feature number 3, message, 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 right? Put a dash, then write. One can, this is feature number 3. One can send the message, one can send the message inside another message, inside another message. Full stop. A MIME mailer, a MIME mailer can label, label, label each segment or part of the message, each segment or part of the message as a full message, as a full full message, or a partial message, as a full message or a partial message. Full stop. The recipient's mail, the recipient's mail software, mail software can reassemble the message automatically, reassemble the message automatically. Next, number 4. Number 4, multipart, multipart. Dash, put a dash, then write. It allows more than one piece of MIME. It allows more than one piece of MIME, to be included in a message. In a message. Next feature, MIME encoding. MIME encoding. Right? It uses many different encoding methods. many different encoding methods. Depending on the file type, depending on the file type, it is sending. Depending on the file type, it is sending. Next, content transfer encoding. Content transfer encoding. Content transfer encoding header header on each message corresponds to the type of decoding the recipient needs to perform. The recipient needs to perform. Next, MIME software adopts MIME software adopts the general philosophy adopts the general philosophy of trying to work with existing non-MIME software with existing non-MIME software as much as it possibly can. And right in the next paragraph, the multipart slash signed the multipart slash signed 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 content type consists of two body parts. Consists of two body parts. The first body part over which the digital signature was created including its MIME headers. Digital signature is created, it's not was. Digital signature is created, including its its MIME headers. The second part contains The second part contains the control information, necessary to verify control information necessary to verify the digital signature. And right, next paragraph. When creating a multi-part signed body part, next paragraph. When creating a multi-part signed body part, the following sequence of steps, the following sequence of steps describes the processing necessary, describes the necessary processing. Describes the necessary processing. Number 1, the content of the body part to be protected the content of the body part to be protected is prepared according to a local convention. According to a local convention. The content, full stop. The content is then transformed into a mime body part in canonical mime format. Including an appropriate set of mime headers. Number 2, the body part to be digitally signed, is prepared for signature, according to the value of the protocol parameter. Number 3, the prepared body part is made available to the signature is made available to the signature creation process, signature creation process according to a local convention, according to a local convention. The signature creation process, the signature creation process must be available, must be available to for MIME implementation, for MIME implementation. Then write next heading, MIME body part, MIME body part. Right. The MIME specification currently supports currently supports 7 body types. They are 7 body parts, not types, 7 body parts. They are number 1, text, T-E-X-T, text. Text, right? The text body part, or it enables a message, it enables a message to contain simple to contain simple message data, to contain simple message data such as ASCII, such as ASCII, and can be transported and can be transported using the current 7-bit ASCII, current 7-bit ASCII used on the internet, used on the internet. Next, number 2, multipart. Multipart, number 2. Right. It consists of several body parts. It consists of several body parts containing unrelated data, containing unrelated data. Full stop. MIME permits the user MIME permits the user to break the content into subtypes put a dash, then write dash, right, mixed, M-I-X-E-D, mixed, comma, alternative, parallel, and digest, parallel and digest. Now write the first one, mixed, right? It is the most frequently used subtype. It is the most frequently used subtype. It ensures that a number of very different meshes, content types such as text, graphics, or images, text, graphics, or images can be transmitted in the same message, Next, alternative. It presents the same data in different formats, such as word processing documents, in tree representations, for Windows, W capital letter, and WordPerfect. Next, parallel. It contains body parts. that must be viewed, that must be viewed at the same time, at the same time. This type is used this type is used when documents are linked with a utility with a utility with an utility with an utility such as hypertext. And the last one, digest. It is used when all the body parts are used when all the body parts are messages are messages. Then write down message. Next heading, message. Right? A message body part contains a message body part contains other messages such as forwarded or transfer messages such as forwarded or transfer messages. It is the most basic body part. It is the most basic body part of mime. Most basic body part of mime. And its subtypes are write in capital letters RFC. RFC, request for comment. RFC 822. RFC 822. Next, partial. RFC 822, partial and external body. Next, write down image. The image's body part contains time-varying images that contain movements like that contain movements like motion pictures, and full motion video and full motion video. Next, audio. Audio. The audio body part contains sound data, such as views, voice, or music. Next, the last one, application. Application. It contains files generated from computer application programs. Comma, contains spreadsheets, comma, calendar information, word processing documents, and presentation formats, such as WordPerfect, or Microsoft Word.